Hello everyone, I'm Helen from Viviana, China. Today we are going to ship the 62 kWh battery modules for Nissan Leaf AZE0 to USA. Total 6 big modules for one vehicle. Customer, after receiving these modules, he will assemble these modules himself to his original Nissan Leaf AZE0 battery case and then install to his car. Let's take a look at the modules. The 6 power cables to connect the modules are included in this module's wooden box, as well as the single harness for the module G and H plug to BMS are also included in this wooden box. The spacers for installing the modules are also included here. We have reprogrammed the BMS according to the information of customer's car. So after customer assemble the modules to the car, the dashboard can display the whole correct new mileages and no turtle appears. The strings for customer to lift and move the modules are packed in here. The rubber pad for customer to seal the battery case is also included in. The 10 solid spacers for customer to heightening the 62 kWh battery pack when installing are also packed in here. Now, all the battery modules are well packed now. We will seal the wooden case cover and then arrange the delivery to customer.